today's quick tip is when you go up or down a little step, you know, like a sidewalk, something, you know, beware of never let your pedal on the bottom part when you are crossing it. Why? Because Brompton has a very low center of gravity and the wheels are 16 inches, so the pedals are closer to the floor than other bikes. So when you go up and when you go down, pay attention. It saves you maybe a fall, maybe just a scratch on the pedal, but it saves you. It's better. I know it's a very quick tip, but those quick tips are for that, for little things that I do remember that happened to me and I want to share with you. You know, if you did like it, thumbs up, and if you're not part of the channel, please subscribe, because on Saturdays I post the longer videos, the videos that I edit for a long time, think about it or answer some questions. So yeah, hope you like it.